Hello everybody, this is Math with Josh. Today's short video is on the importance of extra information in word problems. And also real quick, because I keep forgetting to mention it, if you're interested in math tutoring online or in person near Wheeling, West Virginia, check out my page, check out the Facebook, facebook.com/mathwithjosh. Okay, so the thing I wanted to talk about a little bit that I've dealt with tutoring is that I think word problems are a little bit misused or maybe focused on in a slightly weird way, and that is that word problems are a test of whether students are able to take information and convert that information into the form of a mathematical statement or problem so they can apply their math skills to understanding it. So for instance, because I'm hungry, if we said something like, chicken nuggets cost 25 cents each, and I want 20 chicken nuggets, how much would that cost? You realize that it's 20, the number of nuggets, times $0.25. That works out to, let's see, that should be $5. Yeah, I did that right. Right, that would be $5. You multiply those two together and you get 5. But notably, the weakness to simple word problems, and I've seen this a couple times where a student has a worksheet where it's a bunch of word problems, but every single word problem is about the same topic. Meaning they don't actually have to understand the word problem. They just have to look at the two numbers and multiply them together. So I think it's actually quite valuable generally, and when you're starting out, obviously this is okay. But it's important that sets of word problems have a couple properties. One, the worksheet needs to have more than one subject on it so that merely looking at the numbers doesn't tell you what to do. So for instance, some of the problems could be addition problems, some of them could be multiplication problems. Two, I think it's really important that word problems, after you've introduced the idea, have extra information in them. And by that I mean information that can let you do the problem wrong if you're just guessing by looking at the numbers. So to go back to the previous problem, if I say, there are 5 McDonald's restaurants. By the way, I'm in front of a McDonald's, so trying to get the endorsement. There are 5 McDonald's restaurants in a city. Chicken nuggets at McDonald's cost 25 cents each. How much would 20 chicken nuggets cost? Well, the answer again is 20 times 25 cents, which is $5. But because I included there are 5 McDonald's in the city, what I've seen happen, what I've seen people talk about happening a lot, is a really good test of whether the kid reading the paper understands the problem and is doing it right is the fact that if they don't, they will multiply by 5 McDonald's and they will say $25 for 20 chicken nuggets, which would be a terrible deal on chicken nuggets. Or another example is something like, there's I have a paper route on 4th Street. I get paid, 10 cents per paper I deliver, and I deliver 100 papers a day. How much money do I make each day? And again, the answer is 100 times 10 cents, which works out to, which should work out to $10. Yeah. But again, the point is that because there's that extra information in there, lots of kids will multiply by 4. They'll multiply by 4th Street. And they'll say it's $40. So those two examples are a little bit too similar, but I think the general idea is word problems are a test of the ability to extract information into a mathematical form. So it's really important to have information, and I don't like just lots of text, but a little bit of extra info to make sure the students looking at it are actually comprehending it, not just guessing. And 2, it's very helpful for the same reason to have different kinds of problems on worksheets, so that you can't just look at the 2 numbers and multiply them because you know you're doing multiplication, but you have to understand the whole problem to see what we ought to do with the numbers. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you enjoy the content, please share. I'm Joshua Phillips for Math with Josh. Have a nice day.